Hi students, welcome back to the class 22. Example, let Z be the multiplicative group of non-zero real numbers. Define phi maps from G to G by phi of x equals 2 power x. Verify whether phi is homomorphism. If so, find its kernel. Verify also whether phi is an isomorphism. Here we have to check first phi is homomorphism or not. If phi is homomorphism, then we have to find its kernel and then we should verify phi is isomorphism or not. Okay, first take any two elements of G. Let x and y belongs to G such that f of x equals 2 power x. Sorry, this is f okay, for every x and y belongs to G such that f of x equals 2 power x, f of y equals 2 power y. Consider f of xy equals f of xy equals 2 power xy. Okay, f of x into f of y equals f of x is 2 power x, f of y is 2 power y equals 2 power x plus y. Call it equation 1 and 2. But 2 power xy not equal to 2 power x plus y. Therefore, from 1 and 2 f of xy not equal to f of x into f of y. Hence, f mapping from G to G is not a homomorphism. F is not homomorphism, then kernel f is not defined. If f is not homomorphism, then it is not an isomorphism. Permutation group of degree n. This is last concept. A 1-1 onto mapping of a finite set onto itself is called a permutation. Permutation nothing but a 1-1 onto mapping of finite set onto itself. That is, f maps from G to G is called a permutation. The number of elements in the set G is called degree of the permutation. In other words, permutation is the operation of rearranging n distinct objects of a set among themselves. If a1, a2 and so on, a and b n distinct elements of a set G, then the operation of replacing a1 by b1, a2 by b2 and so on, an by bn expressed as p equals this form. Here a1 is replaced by b1, a2 by b2 and so on, an by bn, where b1, b2 and so on, bn are the n elements as a1, a2 and so on, an. But in some other order, f of an equals b1, f of a2 equals b2 and so on, f of an equals bn. The permutation of the form I equals a1, a2, a3 and so on. A1 maps with A1, A2 mapping to A2, A3 to A3 and so on, AN is mapping with AN. If I is of this form, then it is called identity permutation. Next, equality of two permutations. If f and g are any two permutations of degree n on the set S are said to be equal if f of x equals f of y for every x belongs to S. Two permutations are said to be equal if f of x equals f of y for every x belongs to S. For example, f equals 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. In both these permutation, 1 is mapping with 3. Here also 1 is mapping with 3. 2 is mapping with 1. 2 is mapping with 1. 3 is mapped to 2. 3 is mapped to 2. Therefore, f equals g. These two are equal permutations. Next, product of two permutations. Consider the set S equals set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let alpha, beta be any two permutations of the given set S. Alpha equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3. Beta equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2, 4, 5. Here we have to calculate alpha into beta. First write 1, 2, same. This is alpha, this is beta. First write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 1 mapped to 2. 2 is mapped to 1. So write 1. Next 2 mapped to 4. 4 mapped to 4. Write 4. 3 mapped to 5. 5 is mapped with 5. 5. 4 is mapping with 1. 1 is mapped to 3, 3. 5 is mapped with 3, 3 is mapped to 2, therefore 2. The operation of product of permutation is a binary operation.